Hi there! Today I'm going to show you a nice table decoration, and we're going to work with this beautiful PIP family from Deliflor Chrysanthemums. I'm going to start with creating 2 centerpieces. I'm going to use this betula stems as a pedestal. Then I have these metal pins and I'm going to make them all the same size. Now I'm going to use this floral foam base. And I have 3 pieces of wood with a hole in it. And I'm going to glue them on the base. And to cover the bottom of the base, I'm going to glue some pine cones on it. And now I'm going to cover the plastic edge with these autumn leaves by pinning them with these tiny cones. Now the base is ready. I'm going to use this beautiful amaranthus because the color looks very nice with the colors of the PIP chrysanthemums. For the centerpiece, I'm going to use 3 varieties. I'm going to use the PIP Red, the PIP Purple and the PIP Salmon. So this one is finished. And of course I already prepared another one. And now we are going to work on the garland for on the table. So I already prepared these pine cones by drilling a hole through the center. Now the garland is ready. I'm going to decorate it with these dried berries. So I give them some glue, but I also clamp them in between the cones. Chrysanthemums are very strong flowers, so they are good to use with cold glue. So now I'm using the other 3 varieties. The garland is ready, the centerpieces are placed, now it's time to set the table. So this table setting with the PIP family is ready for dinner. I'm going to finish off with this pussy willow and I'm just going to spread it over the table like confetti. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time.